So I made cross-country jumps. I'll show them to you. There's this one, which I just pulled some weeds and threw it on there. And yeah. And there's this one. It's supposed to be propped up, but it's just keeps falling down. And then there's just a lone log because I don't know what to do with it. And I don't know how to make it into a jump. So somebody please help me. Oh, also that's, I ran over my toe with the door, so that's why there's a bandage there. I'm covering up my other toes because, yeah, reasons. Now you're gonna see me jump it. There's some very weird distances, but it's okay because, yeah. I wish I could have my dog jump it, but she can't jump anything that's outside of the house. So, yeah, because she's gonna run away. So, bye.